We're here at the Fab Training Centre in Abu Dhabi, and we've just finished the For Those Who Dare workshop, which is basically where we take teams of people and we take them through an Everest summit expedition. Today is going to be about all of you working together, collaborating and making the critical decisions that are required to summit the world's tallest mountain. And during that process, those teams go from becoming quite fragile with a lack of clear purpose, working in silos, to figuring out how to become anti-fragile teams. Those are the teams that succeed in a VUCA environment. Can anyone tell me what the acronym VUCA stands for? Volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous. The energy was palpable, the teams loved it, we had some fantastic feedback, and we're super excited to deliver more. So Shrija, I'm going to ask you to put on the jacket of accountability. 3, 2, 1!
It's amazing experience as a whole. The instructor is so energetic. Whatever I learned today, it will stick in my mind always. Alone I can do less, and together we can do more.
We know how to work as a team, we know how to team values and how we are facing the challenges, how we are resolving the challenges as a one team.
We have learned to take decisions together, to value our partnership and our teamwork. I would encourage everyone to attend this session as we have learned and we have enjoyed every minute of it.